Microwave sterilization system. The system used the Magic T and two antennae which are fed by two RF sources magnetron. The all system is controlled by a developed embedded system Raspberry Pi. Germs reach the soil through irrigation water and air. Some bacteria cause plant diseases, such as streptomyces scabies. An efficient hyperthermia microwave technique is used to kill bacteria and fungi in the soil instead of using pesticides. Hyperthermia microwave is used directly to raise up the temperature of wet soil at which the bacteria and fungi are killed.